Hello Toastmasters, I'm Janice Howard, District 60 Director. District 60 is enjoying phenomenal growth this year. Since July 1st, 750 people have joined our clubs. We currently rank in the top 15% of all districts worldwide for new member growth. That outstanding growth is attributed to clubs marketing, promotions, and welcoming visitors to your clubs, and then encouraging them to join. I also believe that the district message that 30 is the new 20 is enjoying a groundswell of support as clubs realize the value of having more than a minimum of 20 members. This month we launched a district-wide LinkedIn campaign, where members of LinkedIn were encouraged to click on an ad. They were taken to a landing page where they were given the opportunity to find a club near them. And then there was Open House Week. 65 clubs from Toronto east to Belleville hosted open houses and welcomed anywhere from 3 to 30 visitors to your meeting. You're now in the process of converting those visitors to members, getting them to take their Pathways assessment, and encouraging them to sign up for their icebreakers. This has been a banner year for Toastmasters, thanks to all of our collaborative efforts to raise the profile of Toastmasters in our community. Let's keep up the momentum. Thank you.